To trim videos on a PC, right-click on the video file that you would like to trim and choose Open With and select Photos. Click the pencil and paintbrush icon labeled Edit and Create in the top menu. Select the Trim option. You can then drag the circles to select the part of the video that you want to keep. The colored circle represents the playback. You can press the spacebar to play and stop. When you are happy with your adjustments, click the Save a Copy button. This means the original file will still be there if you need it. You can repeat this process to create multiple smaller videos from one long recording.